Hi friends, welcome to Southern Menu. Today I'm going to prepare a traditional sweet recipe, Paal Kozhukkattai or Paal Kozhukkattai. Let's see how to make this. Let's see what are the ingredients you need for making this Paal Kozhukkattai. Here I took 1 cup of rice flour and I used a ready-made rice flour and 1 cup of thick coconut milk and 2 cups of thin coconut milk and 1 tablespoon of coconut and half a teaspoon of salt, 2 to 3 cardamoms and half a cup of sugar. You can adjust the sugar according to the sweetness you want, and you need 1 teaspoon of ghee while kneading. Let's see how to prepare it. Take a thick bottom vessel and add 1.5 cup of water. Now to this water add 1 cup of rice flour and half a teaspoon of salt. Also add 1 tablespoon of coconut. Now mix this batter well. Make sure that there is no lumps are formed. Now the batter is ready. Now you have to switch on the flame and heat this batter in medium flame. At a point of time, this batter becomes thick. At that time, reduce the flame to low. Don't forget to stir it continuously, otherwise this will stick to the bottom of vessel. See, now the batter becomes thick. Now reduce the flame to low. Stir it continuously. See, now the batter becomes a thick dough. Stir it continuously. Make sure that it does not stick to the bottom of vessel. Stir this until it became a thick dough. See, our batter became a thick dough. I have transferred this dough into a bowl. Allow this to cool. See, now our dough became cool and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of ghee into this. You have to knead this dough into a smooth one. Already it is smooth, but it's still you have to knead it much softer. Now grease your hand and take a small portion of dough. Make this into a small ball. Like this, you have to make all this dough into small rice balls. If you feel it is sticky, you can grease your hand with ghee or oil. See, now I have made rice balls out of that dough. Here I took 1 cup of rice flour and I got this much rice ball. You can adjust the quantity of rice flour according to that. Now you have to take thin coconut milk in a vessel and boil it. Now the coconut milk started to boil. At this time you have to add the rice balls one by one. Please add this rice ball slowly so that it won't melt into this coconut milk. Make sure you are adding these rice balls only after the coconut milk gets boiled. Mix it very slowly so that the rice ball does not break. Allow this to cook for next 5 minutes. Once it is cooked, you have to add half a cup of sugar, and I got almost a medium sweetness. If you want, you can increase it. Now our rice balls almost cooked well. Now this time switch off the flame and you have to add thick coconut milk. Make sure you are adding this coconut milk only after switching off the flame. Here I added almost 1 cup of thick coconut milk. Now mix this very slowly because these rice balls are very soft in texture. And the final stage, now you have to add cardamom. I have taken 2 to 3 cardamom and crushed it. You can even add cardamom powder. So our traditional sweet Paal Kozhukkattai is ready to serve. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos and don't forget to share it with your friends. Happy cooking!